How to back up your iPhone to iCloud. This quick guide will show you how to safely save your data, including photos, apps, and settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your name at the top to open your Apple ID settings, then select iCloud. Scroll down and tap iCloud Backup. Here, you will see the option to turn on iCloud Backup. Simply toggle it on. Once enabled, tap Backup Now. Then tap on Continue to start an immediate backup. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi and has enough battery or is plugged into charging for a smooth process. After the backup is complete, your iPhone will automatically continue backing up your data whenever it's connected to Wi-Fi, locked, and charging. And that's it. Your iPhone is now safely backed up to iCloud. If you ever lose your device or switch to a new one, you can easily restore your data anytime. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.